Good morning, all. We will get started in like 5 minutes or so. I am here, I'm just on mute. I need to sort out some music or something, but I will do. Once you guys like up the stream, we'll get started, like I said, in 5 minutes. I'll see you guys then. You can chat amongst yourselves and share some tickets. I will get through it once we get started. By the way, congrats to everyone who took MLGO in the Discord. Well done, everyone. I even gave it to you guys on Twitter. I mentioned if it closes above 477, you can enter the trade. Look, it closed above. Once it closed above, you now look for 5%, which is right here. And there it is. Bang. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Like up the stream. I'll be there in a few minutes. By the way, congrats to everyone who took MLGO Right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good afternoon. Very, very easy pre-market. I've already hit my goal. So for me personally, I won't be trading much, but I'm going to be giving alerts as normal in the Discord and so on. But I've hit my goal. I've pretty much doubled it. I actually re-entered AGFY after 8 a.m. and I got a nice little move. So I made my daily goal and some more. And then, yeah, I didn't take this MLGO trade. I was busy setting up the alerts. Busy setting up this live. So yeah, very, very easy morning. I don't think I gave one red setup this whole morning in the Discord, which was fantastic. I think I gave about 6-7 trades. So well done to everyone in the Discord. Twitter, I hope you guys grabbed something. I'm sure I gave you guys a few trades. I think I gave you guys AGFY as well, actually. So well done if you did get in that. Right. All right, let me have a look. You're the king. Thanks for AGFY. No worries, bro. No worries, no worries, no worries. Yeah, let's like up the stream, guys. EOSE. EOSE. Nothing on EOSE for me. Maybe if it breaks above 102, maybe reclaims $1, then you could look for possible entries. But other than that, I wouldn't be touching it. Wouldn't be touching it. Sober. SOBR. SOBR, nothing on this personally. I don't really like these wicks. I would say it is still bearish. I am going through these candle wicks, but I don't know. It's not really that clean of a trade setup. Maybe if you want to consider something. Where is this resistance around here? 0.23. Maybe you close above the 0.23 range, then you could look for an entry, but right now it is still bearish. Maybe you could say that it's finding an area of support around here. But for me, nothing. I would just simply focus on the movers. Easy trades. Easy trades. MLGO going. MLGO going. Yes, it is. So MLGO is going. I know that. I gave this into the Discord. I gave it to you guys even on Twitter. I'm sure most of you follow me on Twitter. So well done if you listened. I said, wait for break above 0 or wait for break above 4.77. What does that mean? Does anybody know what that means when you have to wait for the break above? Does anybody know? I want to see who knows. Gave it to you literally 28 minutes ago. So everyone, there's no reason why you're not in it unless you were setting up a YouTube stream like me. Wow, MLGO. That was a nice one. Well done if you got in. Well done, well done, well done. So, for those who don't understand MLGO setup, and it was extremely easy, correct, resistance point. Look, this stock had a resistance level at this yellow line, correct? So, what you're looking for is, you know, and I tell you guys every time you're in the trades and these live trade sessions, if a stock breaks above a resistance, what is the likelihood of the stock going up or down? Logically thinking, there is a higher probability if a stock breaks a resistance that it's going to go up, right? If a stock is going to break below support, what is the probability of it going down? There is a higher probability. Instead of a stock being 50-50 chance, right? You're probably going to have a 70, 80, 90% chance. Those percentages go up with the confidences that you add to your trades. Whether you use indicators, chart patterns, candlesticks, whatever you decide, that is just an area, right, to identify. I gave it to you. This thing has gone absolutely mental. It's gone up 20%. So look. Once you got the candle closure above 477, which was resistance, this was resistance because 1 resistance, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rejections. That is extremely high resistance. You know if the stock breaks above it, that it's most likely what? Going to run. So look, it closed above on the 5-minute chart. You can use the 1 minute, you can use the 20 minute, you can use the weekly, daily, whatever you decide. I personally focus on the 5 minute, right? It's not the best time frame. There is millions of time frames you can use, all right? However, 5-minute time frame, you can see once it closed above, then you look for your 5%, which was up here at 4 something. I don't know where it was, around here, or 505, right? Sell 50% and then let the rest run. It's literally that easy. So that is the reason why you could have taken MLGO, and why I said on Twitter to you guys, I said needs to break above 477. That means if it breaks above 477, you can look for an entry. EOSE, there is absolutely nothing on that for me. EOSE, nothing. Look at the chart. Are you going to take this trade? Why are you going to take this trade? Why? Yes, it's up 6%, but what? Look, there's nothing going on. No. You need to get at least above $1. Get above $1, then maybe you can consider something. But for me, focus on the mover. What's the mover? We can see MLGO is the mover. What is the likelihood of you making money on a mover than something that's going down, right? Think about that logically and easily for you to understand what's going on. Then I'm sure it will make a lot more sense. Anyways, I went a lot about MLGO. Clove, currently bought. Great. Could we see $2? Clove, I don't know. I don't base off news, so I'm not really interested in the news, unfortunately, but you are currently very bullish. Your next resistance level is 141. Your next level is around 163. So your next resistance, if you break above 141, you have 163. That is your next level. AGFY prediction. My prediction is that it might go up and it might go down. This is my prediction right here. Look. Broke above the previous resistance. It's retesting it now. I expect it to go up. That is my prediction. Right? Now, how do you find the next levels? I use the 4-hour. You can use whatever time frame you like. I find that the 4-hour works for me to find my next key levels. So this is what I have. And then all I do is this. Right? So there's your prediction. Now, if we break above 0.5742, where are you going? To 0.6290. That's how simple it is. Oops. Make sure you guys like up the stream. Make sure you like up the stream. RGLS. RGLS, nothing unless it breaks 3.25. Closure above 3.25 resistance. High probability it will go up and will fill that wick at 356. You just trade it by using a different broker. You can use Webull. You can use Robinhood. I don't know. If you're in the US, I recommend using Webull. You can trade pre-market. It's called pre-market. So if you want to look to trade pre-market, you just need to type in brokers that allow me to trade pre-market in whatever country you are, and I'm sure there will be a lot of answers there for you. RGLS, just went over that. FFIE, people are still going on about FFIE. My goodness me. FFIE is a stock that is going down, and down. If you are down more than 7% on the stock, I would cut it and leave it alone forever. How can you join the Discord? The Discord is right here, brother. This is the link. If you want to join, feel free to join. We have some spaces. There will be more spots open at the beginning of the month. NRBO, there is nothing going on with this one. No volume, I don't know. This one, nothing. If you're trying to look for entries, maybe above this high, 480. Nothing on that though. ALIM, nothing on this. I don't know. This thing has a priced in. It's priced in, I think. Someone was mentioning earlier. Can rally go higher? Of course it can go higher. What kind of question is that? Of course it can go higher. Of course it can go lower. Right? When people ask those questions, I'm just going to give a silly response, guys. Come on. What am I supposed to say? Right? If I say it's going to go higher, you're going to buy it. If I say it goes lower, then you're still going to buy it. So it doesn't matter. Do I think it's going to go up? Yes. Do I think it's going to go down? Yes. AGFY is right here. GOVX. GOVX right now, it is bullish. Why? Because it's making high highs and high lows. High high, higher low, higher high, and then maybe high low and high high, right? So next resistance level is 264. Close above 264, then you have next resistance, right? Best setup right now. Go onto the top gainers, this website right here, and then you can look and see which one is the top mover, right? These plays all on the left-hand side that are in color, these are all the top movers that I like. I'm not going to tell you which one's the best because I don't know which one is the best, right? NLX, you mean NXL, I'm assuming. NXL is bearish, is down 1% right now. I'm not interested in NXL, there's nothing on that. Got in at 475, sold at 5. Well done, Shroom, bro. Let's go, open and close above it. Yes, Uria, correct. Clean candle close. Yes. Correct. EOSC, there's nothing on EOSC. EOSC, just remove it. Nothing. Unless it closes above. If you're looking for EOSC, if you're trying to look for an entry, maybe above 102. Above 102. So right now, you shouldn't be in it. Leave it, watch it, do its thing. Close above 102, then you can be like, okay, I will look for an entry. Why? Higher probability it will go up if it closes above 102. Try and enter stock that's in a downtrend is extremely difficult. You're basically catching a falling knife. You do not want to do that because it will not end well, right? Arab, nothing on this for me. But what you can do is I'll just draw this like that. Can go through this wick, it's not the end of the world. Like this. So if the candle closes above this downtrend like this, right? Like that, that is a closure above, then you can look for an entry. But if the candle does that, then there is no entry. So wait for the closure above. FFIE, I went over FFIE, I went over it. Definitely joining it. Oh, definitely join it. Let's go, Shroom. Shroom. KR. There is nothing on KR. It's down 17%. That is what I can tell you. And it's in a downtrend. Maybe if it breaks above, but leave it. Focus on the movers. Made my monthly tier in 2 days. Let's go, Shroom. Today you're going to make it in one trade. Exla, this one's a previous mover. Next resistance is up here. This is your next room. 315 is your next resistance level. So there's a higher probability you'll get to 315 then come all the way down to 229. Yeah, Adam, they sold shares at 50. Yeah, exactly. That's it. MBIO, I'm expecting a breakout on this play. This is a bullish continuation pattern. KTRA, nothing on this. There's a lot of talk about this, but for me, yeah, it's just simply an uptrend. Your next resistance level is literally 0.385. KR, I went over that. ASNS, there is nothing going on with this play at the moment, but if you want to consider something, maybe you can look for entries above this resistance here, 195. Closure above 195, you have clean range all the way up here, look, all the way to this 250. So just wait. Thank you for Arab. No worries. I got MLG. Oh, nice. Oh, you did? Oh, yeah, duh, what I'm on about. Sorry, I'm just all over the place. Yeah. Let's go, Shroom, bro. Got an emoji over me to understand. Excellent. Not to mention this was crazy educational. Yeah, I know. People just need to use the information correctly because some people just try and go over all of it and they don't actually understand. Like, the main thing is understand and watch those risk management seminars. How to trade is extremely easy. Everyone knows how to trade. Every single person in this world knows how to trade. How to manage your risk is a completely different story. NRBO, there is nothing on this. 480 maybe. I haven't seen anything. It's down 19%. That's all I can tell you. MBIO entry, up to you, brother. Saad, if you want to enter, you can enter. It's expected to break out. I am not in it. All right, let me go through some Twitter because I have to catch up on Twitter. There's a lot of messages on here. Guys, people always ask me, what is your profit target? The target is 5% from your entry. That is what I do. It's not the best way. It's not the worst way. There is no best way. You decide. I just sell at 5%, at least 50% of my position. So if I buy 100 shares, right? I will sell 50% of my position, 50 shares at 5%. That is it. Let's go, Fig. Let's go, let's go. All right, cool. I'm just going through all of this. Sorry guys, I'm just going through all of this stuff on Twitter, just responding to some stuff. Let's go, Ryan. I'm not too sure why it's saying that's inappropriate, but it is what it is. VCIG. VCIG, there's nothing on this. This is literally just in this like demand zone area. Demand zone. So this has low volume. This isn't my kind of place. So VCIG, low volume. Guys, also, most of the charts you guys request are just bearish, and I just simply say wait for the downtrend break. It's as easy as I can tell you. Right. I'm assuming most of you guys are in the charts that you asked for as well. ASNS, wait for 195. Right, let me have a look. MBI entry level. Whatever you guys decide to enter at, you can decide. Up to you. You can enter now, you can enter tomorrow, you can enter next week. If I enter a trade, I mention it in the Discord. That's it. Rally, entry level, wherever you decide, brother. Wherever you decide to enter is completely up to you, right? I would have entered inside of the wet pattern right here, right? Another entry point is up to you where you decide. But right now the stock is bullish. You expect it to go up. I've learned so much more than I have. Let's go, bro. Let's go, Shroom. DJT out of curiosity. DJT. Up 9%. Here's your next resistance right here. 3150. These are just, I would just use the 4-hour levels right here. But right now it is bullish. It's made a new high, so it should continue to push up. That is what I expect to happen, right? Rally's here. So rally is broken out. Next resistance level, close above 0.55. You have room to 0.65. Turned 18 a few days ago, being shit with risk management. How much of my portfolio should I be risking each trade? It's up to you, bro. There's so many ways you can do risk management. So I would not be going in with 100%. I would just simply split your account up. I would say maybe like 30% of your account you can take per trade. Aim for 1% on your account a day. That's realistic. 1% in your account a day, 5% a week, 20% a month. Exler moving up. Yeah, there's a lot of people just pumping it on Twitter, Exler. Because there's news that came out, so now everyone's just pumping it. And that is it. But look, do you remember what I said? If you remember what I said when someone asked me about Exler, I said there is a higher probability it's going to go to 315, then come all the way down to 229, right? And what happened? It went to 315. What a magical thing, right? Okay, thank you very much. No worries. Got 10% pre-market. Let's go, bro. Let's go. MLGO. People, I don't know. It makes me laugh with MLGO. I don't understand why people are upset, right, about MLGO or Sims. This stock, right, I'm assuming you didn't enter where we mentioned, which was here, right, which ran 19%. But how high are you trying to look for when you enter a trade, Sims? That's my question. How much percent when you enter a trade, what is your target? Do you have a target in mind? Do you look for a number? Do you look for a percentage? Do you look for a dollar amount? What is it? Right? Let me know. I'm just curious to know. So when you enter a trade, what is your goal when you're in the trade? Are you holding for 100%? You're holding for 50%? Do you have a stop loss? Do you know how much you're going to lose when you get in the trade? Do you know how much you're going to win? Do you know where resistance is? Do you know where support is? Oh, okay, cool. Okay, good. That's good. Here is your new demand zone around here. But I would just use this whole range, this thing. This whole demand zone. Here. But it will probably move again. It will probably move again. FFIE is bearish. Stay away. Going down. Right, FFIE is trash. Let's leave. Welcome back to the casino. Cheers, brother. Let's go. Let's go. Just made 30 dis in my 500 dis account. Well done. 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 EPOW. 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 Nothing. 5-minute chart. You can use a downtrend to help you for your entry. So that's it. Karamba, I know you're in the Discord, so I know you know how to chart this. Use the 5-minute chart as we always do. Draw the trend. What is the trend? Wait for the trend to break above, and then you can look for your entry, right? Oh, dollars. Nice, $30 on your 5-minute account. That's amazing. That is amazing. What is that? 6? It's like 6%, isn't it? AGFY bullish pennant. What time frame are you looking at the bullish pennant? You're looking on the 1 hour, you're looking at the daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, 20-year. Just confirming. Okay, good. But yeah, EPOW nothing on it at the moment. Just draw the trend. I'm assuming the 5-minute chart, but it's not that clean of a bullish pennant. I don't know. It's okay. Maybe, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Bullish pennant. Ready looks good. Rally. What is this site called? Look at the top left. Weeble. I need to get a sponsorship from Weeble. I literally call them out or talk about them every single day. I need to get some referral fees. Really looking good. Yeah, Ready's good. Since it broke out of this, I gave this as the watch list. If anyone looked at the watch list that I gave literally yesterday, right, for today, I'll tell you what I wrote. I wrote this for the watch list. That's right, East Coast bro. Ain't no pumping in this Discord, brother. Teaching is what we do. Anyway, here, rally, I said, okay, it's set up in a falling wedge, demand zone. It's a 1 hour time frame, former runner, expected to break above 0.65. And it was at 0.4177 when I last saw it. 4177, which was around here. So it's up 30% since the watch list was posted yesterday. Very nice, very nice, very nice. What is this called again? Weeble. NCPL. I showed NCPL last. I think it was bearish. Oh no, it's a falling wedge. Oh yeah, downtrend. Oh yeah, this is moving. Yeah, it's breaking above. You have this. Literally, this is your next resistance. I would say 0.15. Just round it up. 0.15. That's your next resistance. 0.15. So close above here. Then you have this wick fill here. 1.368, and then all the way up to here. So that's your next level. Do you trade on Weeble? Only pre-market, bro. Pre-market. KRKR. There is nothing on KRKR. KRKR is down 12%. That is what I can tell you. My advice to you, I don't really have much advice on this, but if you are down more than 7%, I would cut it. That's how I trade. Well, personally, I have a 3% stop loss, but pre-market, you can have a 7% stop loss. Just depends. But yeah, just cut it and move on. If you're down that, then there's no point. Focus on the mover. Focus on the mover. Focus, focus, focus. Focus on the mover. Okay, let me see what else is moving. XLR. XLR looks good. How can you trade this? This is a very easy trade. Look, all you do is you can go to the 1 minute chart, draw the downtrend. If the candle closes above the downtrend, which can be here at $3, it can be down here at 296, it can be all the way down at 290, right? Whatever it decides. If it closes above the downtrend, you can look for the entry. That means you do not enter now. If you enter now, you are gambling. That is incorrect, and that is not the way to trade. You are going to lose a lot of times, right? So you need the candle to do this. Go like that, and then go like this, and then hopefully close above like this. Once that candle does that, then you can look for the entry, and it should continue up. Then you can look for your percentage of profits. You can look for 100%, you can look for 5%, you can look for 10%, 15%. Whatever you decide to look for, that can be your goal. Right, we have 40 likes in here, we have 120 people. Let's get to at least 80, 90 likes, and then we'll get started again. I'll be here for another 10 minutes. If you guys can get to another 60 likes or so. It's easy to do so, guys. You just have to click the like button. Also subscribe as well. Subscribe if you have not done so. MLGO, this is looking fantastic. MLGO is about to reverse. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. MLGO is about to reverse. Free money for everyone. Free money. Free money. Look here. You broke above it. Retesting. Now we go. MLGO prediction. Let's see. Right, come on guys, we can get to at least. This is going to be one of my top watches today, MLGO. That does not mean buy. When identifying the downtrend, are you lining the wick or the top of the candle? I sometimes go through the wick. It just really depends. I never go through a candle because that's incorrect. Technically speaking, you shouldn't go through a wick, but the reason why I do go through the wick sometimes is just to get more touches and indicates the overall trend, and it's clearer. The more touches you get with the trend, the stronger it is. So if you have more touches on the resistance, it is a stronger area of resistance, right? So something like, I don't know, I'm assuming this stock like Onco. Like Onco, for example, like this, look, right? Let's say, or 1 hour, do 1 hour chart. It's not that clear this, but like this, for example, right? You can go through these wicks like this. It's okay. It's not the end of the world, right? See, I've gone through 1, 2, 3, you have 4 wicks. I've done it because I'm trying to get more touches. But if I did this, right, look, and I try and get the wicks, I've literally only got 3 wicks, right? But if I do it like this, it's still the same thing. It's a downtrend, right? Yeah, it's just, that's how it is. Here's another one like this, for example. Here, this is an easy one. Look, I've gone straight through that wick. It's not the end of the world. It doesn't matter. You're not going to die, right? So you have 1 touch, 2, 3, 4 touches, right? Instead of having 1, right? And 2 touches, right? The trend is still the same. Nothing's changed. Let's see how many likes we have here. 61 likes. Come on, guys. We get 30 more. When I don't... Then AGFY. Yep. AGFY is right there. As I predicted. So the bullish pennant was there as well, but it's literally what I predicted. So now that you've closed above this, there's a higher probability that it's going to go to that. It's like magic. I think I gave it to you guys 20 minutes ago. It's that easy. It's that easy. You should be in this trade. If you aren't, then I don't know what you're doing. AGFY. Use the yellow. Use the yellow line. It's a magic tool. It's like magic. So if anyone did get in, congratulations. And that bullish pennant as well. I know someone mentioned it, so well done. But if you didn't, please do not chase because you're going to be upset. Right? There it goes. Woohoo. Wow. It's that easy, ladies and gentlemen. It's that easy. Can you believe it? Trading is very simple when you understand technicals. That is why I trade technicals. I do not trade and I do not care about the company. I don't care about what news it is. I don't care about any of that BS. I'm focusing on the volume and I'm focusing on everything else. Wasn't it Discord? Was it? Did I give it 0.38? This morning, yeah. I know. That's insane. Ever have I been holding 0.63? Terry, if you're down more than 7%, cut it. Just cut it. You're going to get upset looking at all these plays that are running. Focus on that. I love magic. That's right. All right, guys. I'm going to head into Discord. I'm going to enter Discord. Going to start live trading soon. First day back since a little break. But yeah, here's the link. If you want to join the Discord, you are more than welcome to. Live trading every single day. Live seminars. Daily recaps. Swing trades. All that kind of stuff. Entry, stop loss targets for the live alerts. All that fun stuff for everybody. So lots of seminars there as well. Understanding risk management. And those things are extremely, extremely important. I don't do any research about any company. I do not care. I don't know who AGFY is. I don't know what Rally do. I don't know about MBIO. I don't know MLGO, RGLS, XLA. I know nothing about the company. I don't care about the company. It means absolutely nothing to me. I don't care if the company merged with Tesla, cured cancer, passed their phase 2 trials. It means zero to me. I like the news that gives the volume to the stock. The volume gives me the ability to trade based on technicals. I am a very good trader based on technicals. If you want to become a day trader, you need to understand how to trade technicals. It's that simple. And that is what we do in the Discord. Everything is there. It's extremely easy to learn how to trade. Very simple, right? The only difference is that you need to understand how to manage your risk, right? That is important. Everyone knows my strategy in the Discord. Pretty much everyone on Twitter knows it. It's pretty simple. It's easy. All the stuff's there, right? But to manage your risk is a completely different side. Is MBIO still okay? Well, it hasn't really moved, to be honest. So, yeah, nothing's really going on. It's expected to break out because it's in a bullish pennant. That's all I can tell you. If you are down more than 7%, cut it. It's that simple, all right? Okay, members, I will see you guys in a bit. Thank you for joining, guys, on Twitter. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out.